How to open your locker.
You'll be given a card with information with your name, your locker number on the door of your locker, your locker serial number, which is the number on the back of your locker, and your code to open your lock. The way you open your lock is first you need to turn to the right 3 times. You need to pass 0 all 3 of those times. Now once you've passed 0, you need to land on your first number. My first number is 4. So I've passed 0 3 times and I land on the number 4. Now you need to go turn left over 0 again into your second number. My second number is 24. So I've passed 0, I've passed my first number, now I land on 24. Now all you have to do for your third number, your final number, is to go back around, turn your lock right to that third number. So I'll go from 24 and my last number is 5. So I just end on 5 and then all you have to do is pull. That's it, done.
What you need to remember. Number 1. Remember your locker combination. Number 2. Remember your locker serial number for your padlock. What to remember. Start at 0. Turn to the right 3 times. Make sure you pass 0 all 3 times. Stop at your first number. Turn left 1 full turn, passing by the first number. Stop at your second number. Then simply turn right and stop at your third number. Pull shackle to open. Remember to never share your serial number with any other student. If you have any issues with your locker, please don't hesitate to go to the student office and ask for help. Thank you for watching this tutorial.